Call me crazy, but the Popeyes Chicken Po Boy was way better than the new sandwich. And since they've screwed us all, we're making it at home. We'll marinate the tenders in a buttermilk mixture overnight, then we'll double coat them in flour until they're nice and scraggly just like Popeyes. I like to fry mine in a cast iron skillet in some peanut oil. Then we'll toast a French bread hoagie in some butter until it's nice and crisp. We'll add a good amount of that southern mayo, spread it evenly on both sides, add 5 pickles, 3 chicken tenders, and a whole bunch of fresh shredded lettuce. This sandwich is absolute bananas. That creamy mayo, the crispy, spicy chicken, the fresh lettuce. Popeyes was insane for ever taking it off the menu. The recipe is below.